Hi guys, good morning. 8:17 dito.
See right there, that's the Amazon right there.
I know, big Amazon building. Pupunta kami ngayon sa baba guys kasi mamimili na kami ng mga kailangan para sa kaarawan ng aming bunso. And alam niyo na sa Seafood City guys, malaking store ng maraming mga Filipino stuff. At saka magdadaan din kami sa isang Korean store, yung Ranch Market. Kasi baka may makita ko dong mga panganang tuna ba. Kay gusto nila yan. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bili natin doon ho. Kasi
Get off your phone.
meron po tayong listahan. Listahan ng mga kailangan natin para hindi tayo mag-over, hindi naman magkulang. Charot. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami. Kasama ang aking afam. May afam. Ang lamig.
You could tell he's texting because he's
Yeah.
like this.
Guys, malapit na po kami. Dito na kami. Yan o. Ganda talaga dito, no? Kaya lang expensive. Mahal dito tumira, guys. Isa sa mahal na place dito sa California din. Yan. Yung maka-afford lang dito may pera. Kami, mga mahirap doon kami sa bukid. Ayan o, bukid. Sa bukid, walang
Where's that
papel.
other place at?
Ranch 99?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, then we're not going there.
Well, I can look it up.
Yeah, it's probably far.
No, because Ate Rachel drove from there and just there. Like that. Something like that. Anyway, traffic pa rin dito, guys.
But I don't feel like doing that. You did not say that.
Gusto niya ata masigawan. Char!
See, they got like nice roads, everything down here compared to like Victorville. It's like-
Right. Actually, guys, mas mainit dito ngayon.
Victorville
Naka-double
looks like
ano.
a friggin' dump.
Well, babe, it's okay. It's a nice little city.
Yeah, but
Anyway, guys, maganda kasi dito talaga. Maganda, marami silang trees, ganyan.
A&R Electric, that worked for them, I think.
Maganda yung ano ba, road nila,
What's the
maraming
problem with
greens.
these
Anyway guys, so tara muna.
Who's in this?
Bakit po?
50, may bakang.
Ah, sige po. Sige po.
Dagdagan mo na.
Ah,
Anong gusto mo pa?
kahit ano lang po, basta magkasya yung ikaw na lang.
Empanada. What do you want? Empanada? No.
Ganyan na lang po.
Cheesy.
Opo, yun o. May tao here
Yun.
o.
Dalawang cheese yung dinagdag.
Sige po. Bayad na tayo. Ay, wala pa pala.
Dali.
Sorry.
Hindi yung kasing flavor.
Gets $5. Sige po. Pakadaw ako ng dalawang tinapay. Red ribbon. Yan, dalawang. Pwede po kay... Ay, okay. Okay ko. Yan o. Tinapay. Yan o. Hi po. The chicken bucket.
6, 10, or 12?
You guys have 10 each. Let's do 3 bucket of 10 piece.
Okay. And then original or spicy?
Let's do just all original. Thank you.
Anything else?
Peach mango pie you have?
How many?
Let's do 4. Thank you.
4 peach.
Bili muna tayo ng Jollibee chicken. Meron silang ganito. Tayin lang natin. 3 bucket ang binili ko. Para na din sa party. Para sa party sa Sabado. Ayos pala sila dito. Oh. Buti na lang hindi masyadong maraming tao dito. Jollibee. Ito yung Jollibee dito.
Oreo.
Oh.
Pete Alonso.
Ha?
That guy.
Ah, okay. I remember him. Signed Mets. He used to be the Mets.
Yeah, he just signed with the Orioles.
Ah, okay. Look, 155 million. Nantay lang namin yung order namin. Kasi, ayan na, ready
Would
na.
you take $1 million
Ready na, guys.
or
For
1,000 a week for life?
1,000 a week? I think 1,000 a week.
For a million.
That's good. Tara na.
Hold it there.
Where did you park your truck? Oh, it's right there. Guys, tapos na po kami sa ngayon. Charot. Watch out. Bigat nito. Pumili na din ako ng Jollibee. Ayan na yung pinamili namin. Akong kauban guys. Sige, yaw-yaw guys.
Rose, Bobby eating his
Bumili tayo ng Jollibee. Ayan. I don't think so. Ayan. Oh yeah, is it time?
almost.
Huh?
Probably almost.
Ah, okay. Let's go. Tara na. Ah, bigat.
No wonder you're broke.
You make me broke. Ayan na guys, yung binili namin. Bumili kami ng Red Ribbon. Tapos chips, ganyan.
No wonder you're broken.
And yung Jollibee guys. I-arrange niya lang yan.
Out of my way.
Go take care of the stuff. You arrange
Hold
it.
the basket.
Okay?
Chips in the top.
Well, if you came here every week, then I don't need to load the cart.
I'm not coming here every week. Maybe once a month, but not every week.
Once a month? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hindi na. Ay, naku, ang init. So hot, guys. Hindi na ako nag-ano doon sa loob. Maraming music eh. Makapiright pa rin tayo. Kaya dito na lang. So, ayan na. Tapos dito, punta kami sa Ranch 99. Saglit. Noong Pasko'y pag-ibig. Init na. Mainit dito no. Ganda ng weather here. La 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 la. Hi guys, we made it home guys. Thank you Lord. Naput away ko na yung ibang kailangan namin. So, yung mga pinamili pala namin guys. Eto, hindi ko na to aanuhin. Dito na lang siguro muna to. Kasi, yung ibang stuff is, ayan, i-froze natin tong Jollibee. Ilang buckets to guys. Para sa party. And all that stuff. Ito yung mga gulay. Tapos ito yung Red Ribbon. Tapos yung iba guys, kilagay ko na sa kanya-kanya. Kasi asawa ko andun. Sa school. Kasi si Gabriel, kailangan na pick upin. Kasi kapag Wednesday guys, early out kasi sila. So, ito, sitaw. Hindi na ako mag-haul kasi ang dami-dami. Maubos ang time natin. Anyway, yan na natin to lahat. Kamote guys. Hopefully that's good kamote. Ay, kalabasa pa to. Kaya ito yung pansit. Mix natin with pakbet. At pansit. Okay na to. Mix lang siya.